Sa ngayon ba, Sas, nakikita mo sa panahon ngayon ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos Jr. na-redeem na ba yung pangalang Marcos at hindi na ba forever na mako-condemn ang kanilang pangalan?
I think internationally, no, they are doing a good thing in redeeming their name, no, because they are now aligning with the anti-China sentiments of a lot of Western countries, especially the United States. So now, maybe he would be remembered internationally as the president who took on China. He will no longer, di ba, he will no longer be remembered as the son of the dictator. I think he successfully redeemed himself in that way. But locally speaking, of course, the people have a different view of him. Hindi ba? And nakikita naman natin no? Kung ano ang nangyayari sa ating bansa. And sadly, no, the redemption arc is the redemption arc is not really going towards redemption. Kasi naalala ko nung 2022, no, pabigyan ko kayo ng halimbawa. Ang isa sa malaking ibinabato ng mga supporters ni Bongbong Marcos, and unfortunately, I was one of them, ay wag iboto si Leni dahil kung si Leni ang manalo, babalik ang mga oligarko. And now they are all over the place. And nobody and what we feared that Leni would do is actually being done by this administration. Di ba? Ang nagbago lang is yung gender nung tumatakbo. Gender nung tumatakbo. But it is practically what we fear, a lot of people fear that Leni would do. This administration is doing. And ayun na nga, what is actually happening in our country right now is the return of the comeback, no? Everyone na pinilayan ni Duterte nung panahon niya ay bumangon muli with a vengeance. Hindi ba?